Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Mazda CX-5 SKYACTIV-G Sport. This car comes with the 2-litre petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 163 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 38 miles per gallon. This is a one-owner vehicle and the car's covered just over 29,000 miles and has full service history. This particular colour is called the Machine Grey and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As we have a look inside, on the Sport, the car comes really well equipped. So a few features I can mention to you. First of all, you've got your heated electric leather seats there. The sunroof with a blind as well. Onto the dashboard, you've got your large multimedia screen there, which is nice and wide for your satellite navigation, Bluetooth and DAB radio, as well as the car has climate control. The heads-up display, which appears there on the windscreen to show you your speed, for example. And also the car has automatic headlights and wipers. And on the driver's door card there, you've got your folding mirror controls and your 4 electric windows. On this car as well, you've also got the Bose Sound System, so really good music on the move. Being an SUV, you've got the nice raised driving position, lots of headroom and legroom in the car as well. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents as well. And as we open the tailgate, which is electric, to reveal a really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that extends up into the boot as well, so that's nice and practical. And then underneath the boot floor, you've got your subwoofer and also a bit of extra storage under there as well. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, the gunmetal alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors and a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like a test drive, then please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016, and I apologise for my voice. Thanks for watching.